Namaste. Welcome back to Hotel and Hospitality. Today we will be discussing about complaint handling procedure in the hotels. Before going into the topic, please do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon for regular notifications. Guest complaint handling is the crucial and very important task in the hotel industry. Complaints must be handled very carefully as it may affect the reputation of the hotel industry if not dealt properly. A good customer resolution helps us to maintain a good rapport with the customer and also builds trust on the organization. It also helps us to rectify the faults and find out the defaults in the services and procedures. Complaint handling process can be divided into 5 major steps. They are listen, empathize, apologize, take action, and do follow-up. Before attempting to handle a complaint, staff should remember that not to make any promises that exceeds their authority. It is good to admit in front of the guest if the problems cannot be solved. Being honest is the best policy. Some guests may complain as part of their nature. Staff must be trained well to deal with such type of customers. Basic guidelines to handle complaints. Listen with concern and empathy. Always give importance to the customer's feedback. Understand the guest situation and listen patiently to what the customer has to say. Even if you are not agreeing with it, it is important to show your acceptance by simply nodding your head and injecting phrases like I understand, I believe, and I feel. Think of yourself as a mirror. Repeat the guest's thoughts and feelings back to them. Avoid asking direct questions or arguing with what is being said and disputing facts. By naming the emotion, expressing, understanding, and placing yourself in the guest's place, you begin the process of diffusing the situation. Isolate the guest if possible so that the other guest won't overhear. Stay calm and don't argue with the guest. It is important to listen, understand, and then discuss with the guest their concerns in a calm and friendly manner while conducting an open discussion regarding the issues complained. Avoid responding with hostility and defensiveness. Do not argue with the customers. Calmly defend your policies and do not permit the conversation to erode into an argument at any point. Be aware of the guest's self-esteem. Give the guest your undivided attention and concentrate on the problem, not on placing blame. Do not insult the customer at any cost. Whether correct or not, guests believe that they are correct. As such, they may be 100% wrong, but fighting about the issue will only exaggerate the complaint. Take notes. Writing down the key facts saves time if someone else must get involved. Also, guests tends to slow down when they see staff trying to note down the issue. Tell the guest what can be the best done. Offer choices and do not promise the impossible. And do not exceed your authority. Set an approximate time for the completion of corrective action. Be specific, but do not underestimate the amount of time it will take to resolve the issue. This is your chance to re-establish an expectation and deliver on it. Taking the appropriate action can only happen if you really hear the problem and understand guest feelings and combine with a sincere apology. Sometimes there may be a situation where the guest will not agree with the offered resolution. There may be issues which simply cannot be resolved as they may be out of reach of the hotel policies or the guest being unreasonable. But our aim should be always to please the guest and maintain the best solution offered. Take the responsibility to resolve your guest problem. Remember, the guest had come to you with the hope that you can resolve the issue. Monitor the progress of corrective action. Follow up. Even if the complaint was resolved by someone else, contact the customer to ensure the problem was resolved satisfactorily. And finally, inform the higher authorities and do not forget to note down in the logbook. Guest complaints are inevitable. You cannot please 100% of the people 100% of the time. The key to running a successful hotel is to provide flawless guest services. If the guest still complains, tackle the complaints. Successful resolution will have a positive impact on the guest and helps in customer retention. The best way to advertise the services of the hotel is through a satisfied customer. A dissatisfied customer may give a negative feedback and give bad reviews about the hotel services and the product. This will have far-reaching consequences as many of the guests use online sites to provide the feedback about the hotels. Other potential customers read this and use it to base their decisions whether to use the hotel or not. On the other hand, if the guest leaves the hotel satisfied, not only he gives a positive feedback, he will return with friends and family the next time and pave the way for hotel for the repeat business. So this is about the guest complaint handling procedure. See you soon with the more interesting topics. Thank you.